We really encourage the general contractors to award the air barrier installation in the masonry package. All right, so if the mason contractor doesn't want to install the air barrier, he can subcontract it out to a waterproofing contractor, but really it should stay with the masonry, especially when you have a concrete block backing. The reason is we want the bricklayers to have, and the mason contractor to have single source responsibility for the water tightness of that wall, okay? And I will tell you that mason contractors today, most of them are qualified and trained and have the skills to install air barrier in the wall. IMI has a relationship with ABBA, the Air Barrier Association of America, and we deliver ABBA certifications, air barrier installation certifications on behalf of ABBA to our bricklayer members. So air barrier is an important component of the wall, and it's part really of the masonry group of tasks that the bricklayers will do.